A powerful 7.3 magnitude earthquake struck off the coast of Alaska, prompting a tsunami warning for parts of South Alaska and Alaska Peninsula, and this is according to US Geological Survey. Now viewers, the quake occurred at approximately 12:37 p.m. local time with its epicenter located south of Sandpoint, a small island community. And the seismic event was relatively shallow, originating at a depth of about 20.1 kilometers beneath the ocean floor, which is what has prompted the tsunami warning. Visuals on your screen showing you the exact moment when the earthquake struck off the coast of Alaska. Now the quake occurred at about 12:37 p.m. local time. Its epicenter was located south of Sandpoint, which is a small island community. The seismic event was relatively shallow. It originated at the depth of about 20.1 kilometers beneath the ocean. Now this has prompted a tsunami warning for parts of South Alaska and Alaska Peninsula. The magnitude was higher on the Richter scale, about 7.3. This is the latest we are getting in on the powerful earthquake that has struck off the coast of Alaska, and it has now prompted a tsunami warning for different parts including South Alaska and Alaska Peninsula. The magnitude of the earthquake was 7.3. It occurred approximately 12:37 p.m. local time, and its epicenter was located south of Sandpoint, which is basically an island community. Now the seismic event in this case was relatively shallow. It originated at a depth of about 20.1 kilometers beneath the ocean floor, causing the officials to issue a tsunami warning. Visuals on your screen showing you the exact moment where earthquake hit the coast of Alaska. Warning sirens being heard in Alaska. This is after the earthquake hit its coast, 7.3 magnitude, causing people to panic. As of now, a tsunami warning remains in place, and this is relatively because the event was originating at a depth of about 20 kilometers beneath the ocean floor.